Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a gift giveaway. Now, I mentioned this a few weeks ago that I wanted to give a gift away just to show my appreciation to all my subscribers who's been fantastic in watching the videos, constantly watching the videos, sharing it on their social media, and just showing their support for this channel. I am grateful that you've chosen to be a part of this family, and in order to show my appreciation, I want to say thank you during Thanksgiving time, just to give you one of my DIYs. We're going to create some scarves. I've shared with you guys that I've just been doing jewelry and scarves and loving doing it, and I want to share some of that with you and send it out to you as well. If you're interested in entering into this gift giveaway, I'm going to give away 2 of the scarves that we're going to create together. In order to enter, you would watch the video all the way through, and you must be a subscriber. You must already be a subscriber. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of the family, like the video, share it on your social media, have your family and friends watch it, comment, and place your name in that comment so that I know that you are sharing the video and that they are recommending you because you have shared the video. So if they are interested, they just have to do the same. Become a subscriber, like the video, and share it on their social media, and allow their family and friends to place their name in the comment box as well. I am excited to be able to do this with you guys, so let's jump into this DIY. First, we're going to do, of course, 2 fall colors. And I think they are fantastic together. So what I want to do first is take the t-shirt. You will need a t-shirt of your choice. So you're going to line up your t-shirt. And the goal is to cut these in strips. I bought this little gadget and I've shared with you guys several times. I love it. It's fantastic. If you don't have one, you can use your scissors. It's no worries. I'm going to go ahead and just cut the fabric. And took 3 of the strips, cut them in half, and braided them so that I'd have one long braid. I did that with both colors, and now I want to put them to the side. I want to show you how I got the t-shirt material to look as though it's rope. So you're going to take the strips that you cut, put them together, and then you're just going to stretch out the material, and it will become really tight and look as though it's a rope. Okay guys, so this is the first scarf, which I am totally loving. I hope you do as well. And here is the brooch. We also have the silver. So for this next DIY, it's pretty much the same concept. And basically what I did was cut off the shoulder part of the t-shirt and just have the bottom. So this is the bottom piece. And I just cut it in strips like I showed you before when we did the first one, making sure that it is still connected. Just like that. And what I want to do is take a few of these and add some beads to it. But before I can add some pearls to it, I want to stretch it out a bit. So just gonna go ahead and stretch it just as we did with the other one. I'm gonna continue to stretch this, and then we can add some of the Dollar Tree pearl beads to it. So I do have some of the Dollar Tree larger pearls beads that I want to add to this. I also want to add this rope that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I think that would be perfect to add to this. It'll be a nice addition to this scarf. So I just basically want to measure . So after you strung the beads, you're going to take all the ends that you clipped off, and you want to go ahead and glue them together so they're not loose. And underneath, you're going to just go ahead and fold that under. So you've got them all together, connected. Once you've got all of them connected, then we're going to go ahead and take our rope and I want to connect my rope as well. Okay guys, I hope that you like the way the scarves turned out and decide to enter into the gift giveaway. I'd love to give you guys these scarves for the holidays and just to say thank you for Thanksgiving. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. Don't forget to share the videos and enter into the gift giveaway, and I will see you on my next DIY.